What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to vlog for you guys. We are gonna do a day in a life today. I feel kind of awkward talking on this camera because I haven't done like a vlog style day in a life video for a very long time. So it is New Year's Eve, so super exciting. Happy New Year's Eve, except for when you see this video, I'm sure it's gonna be a few days after. I hope that you guys are all having an amazing New Year and that you guys have awesome resolutions and goals for this coming year for 2019. I'm super stoked. I love a fresh start each year. I'm excited to see kind of what this year has in store for me and the family and for you guys. Let me know what your New Year resolution is down below. So my battery just died. I did want to let you guys know that I teamed up with a company called Sashka. And what they are is a bracelet company. They create some of these beautiful bracelets right here. These are actually handmade glass bead bracelets. The bracelets were actually handcrafted from Nepal, and they are handcrafted by women there to provide jobs for them, and they get paid like over minimum wage, and it just brings more jobs for women and kind of helping people get out of poverty over there. So it has an awesome cause, but they sent me quite a few beautiful samples to show you guys. Bracelet was hand crocheted bead by a skilled artisan in the Kathmandu Valley of Nepal. Your purchase empowers women to rise above poverty through fair trade. So let me show you guys what they look like. So they're so pretty. So you can get ones that have like this little gold piece that have different words, whatever meanings for you. And this one says positive vibes. This one says autism. They have like epilepsy, autism awareness, different ones like that. And I think anxiety, but I really like this one. This is for, if you guys don't know, my younger brother, he is autistic. I got this one for autism awareness. They also have children's kids kind. So this one I got for Ava, and she's been wearing this lately, so it fits her little wrist. This one says no negativity, which I absolutely love. I think this one might be one that I'm keeping for myself, but no negativity. So I've been saying that all day too. Like if my son or hubby like says anything negative, I'm like, no, all positivity here now, guys. So I think all the ones that I got 2 of are because I'm gonna gift. So that's beautiful. So make sure you go and check them out. I will have their links down below in the description box. And today I'm gonna go ahead and rock this black one here. And this one is the one that says faith. So just a daily reminder to keep faith no matter what I'm going through. I love it. I love hanging on to like words of affirmations, or I have some like around my house. I even have one tattooed that says like just breathe, just for tough times when I need like a reminder or a smack in the face, like, hey, remember this, like no negativity, stay positive, stuff like that. So anyway, we're gonna go ahead and start our day. I'm gonna gather up my kids and we're gonna head out. So come on. Say hi. Hi. Do you wanna say hi, friends?
Hi.
Wear a jacket.
Woo. Okay, we gotta get shoes on. Here's Remy's new bed from Grandma Gigi.
No, that's from Santa.
It's from Santa. Our house is a mess, guys. So we're waiting in the car for Isaiah because he has to go to get a jacket. Let me know if you guys get into arguments with your children about wearing a jacket. It is raining right now. Like, I don't know if you guys can see that, but that's rain right there. It is actually raining here in AZ, and I asked him just to wear a long sleeve or a jacket just because.
Taking this off of me.
I locked him out. So he wasn't listening to me, and there's this like paper taped on our door here, and so I was like, go get the paper, and he went and got it, and I locked him out because he wasn't listening. But he's got his coat now. Arr, humbug. So I think we're just gonna get this one. She's vlogging.
I like it, Mom.
You do? You like vlogging?
I good at this because I by myself I do it.
I can feel my body cold against the concrete, but I can't seem to get enough. My mind is fixed on what it wants. I just let you beat me. Looks can be deceiving. Let you get the best of me. In bed with my worst enemy. This is a no-go. I just can't take hold. This is a danger zone. Back up and get me home. This is a no-go. I just can't take hold. This is a danger zone.
back at the house. I'm in the laundry room because I'm going to go ahead and wash Ava's new blankets. So we went ahead and got this pink comforter. It's called Pillow Fort, and it's pinch pleat comforter set. So it just comes with one comforter and one sham.
Why are you putting that here?
Because we have to do a quick wash.
Why?
We just gotta clean it just because it's been in the store and in the factory and all that stuff. This is what I'm doing on my New Year's Eve, which is totally fine. Me and Shanam used to, you know, do like the partying thing with our family back in Washington, like a huge party and fun stuff like that. But since we're down here, we're just gonna hang with the kids. And that's what we did last year too. I think we just like have our own like wine and watch the ball drop on TV. We're like those parents now, or those people now. So I wonder what you guys are doing tonight. Let me know if you went out. Oh yeah, so these are the sheets right here. All right, you guys, so we just plugged in the nightlight right there, and look on the wall. Where'd it go? It's frozen. If you guys aren't following me over on Instagram, I announced, I didn't really announce because I already mentioned it like a year ago, but Ava, she has her own channel. So if you have any like little ones that you want that watches like YouTube Kids, Ava, she is uploading like toy review type videos. It's just something small we're doing, but we just uploaded another video the other day, and that was really cool because she was like, she always says to you guys like, hey friends, or hey kids, because she thinks she's like talking to kids because she'll watch like the kids on YouTube. So she asked to film her own little video the other day, and we filmed her playing with some of her new toys and already put out one of the videos, and we're gonna put out more soon. Right, so I'll show you guys some of the things I got from Hobby Lobby. Just got this pillow from Hobby Lobby, just like a little throw pillow to put on her bed over her comforter and her regular pillow. And then this was, it was $24.99, but it's actually 50% off right now. So the next thing I got was this Twinkle Twinkle Little Star Do You Know How Loved You Are sign. And it's so cute. And it has like the silver and gray stars right here. And then this was $19.99, half off. So then the other thing I got was this wood sign. It says a little princess sleeps here. Super cute. And this was $23.99 and half off.
I need like that gray thing for my head, for not get scared, and then it's like that big, and then I need it for my head.
What gray thing?
The gray thing for my bed.
Oh, yeah, this little princess thing. Oh, I don't have my phone with me. I would show you guys. I don't know where my phone is, but we're gonna get this like little canopy type thing that's gonna go above her bed, and it kind of gives it like that princess look, and it comes down around like the head of her bed, and so that's what she's talking about. It's gonna keep her like safe, and we're gonna get that in gray to match the carpet, and then to match like the gray in the sheets and in the throw pillow. So this is what else she got for her walls. That. It's coming up kind of dark pink or hot pink on camera, but it is more light pink also. Oh, and this was $9.99, and these weren't on sale. Oh, you okay? And then she got this little one, and I think this one was $2.99. holding my big camera right now, you guys. I am just too tired to do any more cleaning. It's New Year's Eve. I want to hang out with hubby. I think I'm going to go ahead and let you guys go for today. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate all of you. I hope you guys have an amazing new year, and I'm so excited to be a part of your guys' lives and you guys a part of our family's life and just our tribe here. Remy's having a good old time over there. Don't forget to check out the Sashka website so you can check out their pretty bracelets. Anyway, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Bye.